What if I tell you that you can now perform tasks on Crushlive without buying any coin or without leveling up or upgrading? Yes, we all know that before now, Crushlive was just like a target app. Before you can perform tasks here, you need to buy coin, you need to level up, you need to upgrade before you can perform tasks and claim your reward. But recently, they changed their policy. You can now perform tasks, claim reward without all those things. For you to buy coin, it's just for you to play game, gamble, and also, to level up. Not that it's compulsory like before. All right. So they just released a free task for streamers, and it's becoming very sweet. So let me take you to where you can see your tax. For some of you that have abandoned your Crushlive app because of this upgrade and leveling up, go and dust it. Then if you have not registered on Crushlive, what are you waiting for? Eh? Come now and register on Crushlive because you can now perform tasks without no restriction. All right. So if you tap on me, you'll see tax. Okay. You tap on tax, then you will see that they have added free tasks for streamers. Yes, as you can see, daily live or chat on party, you earn 3,000 gems. So if you live stream for 1 hour, you get 1,000 gems. If your mic when you sit on party task for 1 hour, you get 500 gems. Then if you sit on party mic for 2 hours, you get 1,500 gems. Okay, so this is the free task that you can now perform and claim. This was where the task was before. As you can see, this was the former task before they added this free task. So these are your daily reward. If you invite person, you also earn reward from invitation. You also earn reward from PK. You also earn reward from chatting with strangers. Okay, you can also earn reward from private video chatting with people. All right, so these are the several ways that you can earn income on Crushlive now. All right, so if you have abandoned your own, like I said, go and brush it, go and download it back. Okay, if you have forgotten your email, you can also use another email. Okay, just to get started on this app, tap the link at my comment section or my description to check it to Play Store where you download this app. All right, after downloading, then you put my invitation code, the invitation code that is showing on the screen right now. Once you download the app, try to register, they'll add you to put the ID. So you put my ID, all right, it's showing on the screen right now, and you register with your email, then you join agency. If you want to become agency, you can chat me up. I'll be dropping my WhatsApp link at the description of the video. You can chat me up if you want to become agent. All right, so that is it. The withdrawal method is self withdrawal. Okay, you can withdraw to your local bank account. All right, so this is where you can come and add your withdrawal method. You put your location. Okay, you put your location. As now I'm in Nigeria, but I'm living in Senegal. That is where it's showing like this. So if I want to use my Nigerian account and withdraw, then I will just change my location to Nigeria so that my bank account can come in. For now, that is in Senegal, that is where you are seeing Wave, Pioneer, Binance, USDT, and ePay. Yeah, I can equally use my USDT. So you put your region, yeah, so that you're able to see the payment method that you can use. All right, so that's it. Once you reach 100,000 gem, you can withdraw, which is $10. All right, so that's it. Okay, it's very easy and simple. They have made everything easy for us. Okay, if you want to become golden host or silver host, you can also inquire, all right, about it. So I just say let me share this update with my fans. Okay, for those of you that have abandoned your crush, go and start up. All right, then if you don't have crush, this is the opportunity for you to start it now. Go and download the app. Use the link at my description or my comment section and download the app. All right, put my invitation code, then you join my agency and start performing your tasks. All right, thank you guys for watching. Disclaimer: I am not a financial advisor. This video is just for educational purpose. Please make sure that you make your inquiry before joining any app. All right, without no further ado, Let's call it a day. Bye guys. See you on my next one. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow, turn on your notification so that whenever I make any upload like this, you'll be among the people that will get notified.